2020 marks not only the beginning of a new year, but a new decade. For some, it will be a time of great change. And while there are factors of life we can't control, we can control our diets, and along with it, some of our health and well-being. To get a jump start on 2020, I headed to the Bodhi Tree Meditation Center, where every Sunday they offer a vegan buffet for a $10 donation.
I make that my own tofu. If a tofu in store, they're gonna just breed it.
You make the tofu?
Yeah, I make my own tofu, and I mix with mushroom, you know that, and long rice. Another one, you make an outside tofu, they breed it, they can just fall apart. So your home tofu, you can make it tighter. Yeah.
And what about the bittermelon? How healthy is it?
That bittermelon very healthy to a human being to eat because that's really cleansing to you. And it's the best vegetable you can have, you know. Filipino love bittermelon, but also Vietnamese love bittermelon too.
Yeah. But most people don't like bitter.
And American don't eat bittermelon because you don't know how to prepare that. And basically they learn about bitter, but you eat it, you get used to it, then you crave for it. Really good.
Okay, we'll see. So every Sunday at Bodhi Tree, they have a vegetarian lunch by donation. And so it's like really healthy. I have this whole plate of food, but I don't feel guilty at all because it's all vegetarian and very healthy. I just have 2 of these because I thought it was a spring roll, but actually one is dessert, one is a banana roll. So yeah, it's a lot of food, but yeah, if it's vegetables, then it can't hurt you, right? I just met Kevin here, so you just come and it's communal tables, and then you just kind of all eat together. Sometimes they do a silent eating meditation, so then you can't talk at all, but they'll let you know when that is.
Hi, I'm Lorraine Sakaguchi with the Vegetarian Society of Hawaii, and a number of us, including myself, love to eat here every Sunday. Mai Frascarelli started this whole thing, and one of the things that Mai likes to do is to promote a vegan diet, which is why she cooks this every Sunday. And it's only $10 for all you can eat, so that there's no financial barrier for people to come and be able to eat a healthy plant-based meal once a week. Very prominent heart doctor, and will be coming to speak for us in January. That's only a couple of weeks from now. And I think you'll really enjoy his talk and learning about how eating a whole food plant-based diet can really help your heart and even reverse a lot of heart conditions. So,
yeah, I think we all need to hear that message.
Yes.
Because there's like so much disease that people have now, and they think that it's a natural occurrence from aging, and it's not.
Right. There are lots of other things that happen with aging, but this one doesn't have to be one of them.
So what are you liking so far?
So far, the tofu's really fresh, really soft.
She makes her own.
Does she?
Yeah. Or she made it for this, what you call?
Bitter squash?
Bittermelon.
Bittermelon?
Yeah. So are you usually vegetarian?
Yeah, recently I've been on like a vegan journey. It's great that they have this here. It's like,
has it helped you a lot?
You know, yeah, absolutely. Sometimes I have more energy. I like to work out and do like outdoor things like hiking, and sprinting, swimming, surfing.
Right.
So I definitely feel like some places it has given me extra energy. It's all about creativity because you have to like chop up. You have to chop up the spices, the broccoli, this, and that, versus the traditional diets are a little bit more like easy, chicken and rice and beef.
Were you like a big meat eater before?
Yeah, I kept it pretty simple. Didn't really chop up too many veggies. So now with this,
just throw the steak on the grill.
Yeah, exactly. Yep. Boil an egg.
This is a commitment.
This is like, yeah, you have to.
Yeah.
So it's more playful.
So it's great when somebody else can do the cooking for you.
It's amazing.
Okay.
It's amazing. Just had the banana roll. Crunchy exterior, soft banana interior. Blends perfectly right in your taste buds.
And then we're gonna try this bittermelon together because she said it's like really good, and I'm not really a fan of bittermelon because I don't like bitter, but it looks pretty good. It has her homemade tofu in the center, And you know, I just want to try to eat healthier in 2020 because I'm working on getting a K-pop bod, and so yeah, so I'm gonna try to eat more vegan more often. So let's go for it.
Let's do it. As the name suggests.
Toast.
So as the name suggests, it is bitter. Bitter exterior. Soft. Soft and savory on the inside.
The tofu is really good. There's like some sweetness to it, so it cuts a little bit of the bitterness of the bittermelon. It's really tasty. So she was saying that if you eat bittermelon for a while, you start craving it. And so I can see that, especially when you have something this delicious on the inside. One other thing I have here is this green curry, vegetarian curry. It's really good. It's really spicy. It's spicier actually than most Thai restaurants here. Another guy brought this seaweed soup. And seaweed is also so healthy for you and nutritious. So we have a lot of good things. We're gonna start 2020 right. Are you gonna go and get seconds?
This is seconds.
Really? Oh wow! Wow, he had a full plate both times. How about thirds?
No.
So I don't know if you remember what my plate looked like when I started, but I still kind of have a lot of food left. But I'm really full. The vegetables can make you full. And then what I have here is a wintermelon. She said she was trying to find special things for the new year, and this is really good. So if you want to check it out some Sunday, it starts at noon, and it's a $10 donation. And are you going to come back?
Absolutely. Yeah, this would have been like $25 at Whole Foods.
Oh, yeah. Whole Foods is expensive, and so is Down to Earth. Yeah. This is a great deal because you can go back for seconds, thirds. There's dessert. There's plenty of dessert left. Tapioca, pudding, tea, water, everything you need. So, see you in 2020. Have a healthy new year. Bye.